All right, here we are with Dylan. You already know the best driver of Favelas Ready Mix. He's out here bringing us 150 yards today. About to cash out what, like 15, 20,000 today?
Yeah,
Easy day.
Yeah.
One day cash. You know,
Hey, wait, did you know he was a homeless guy?
he was a homeless guy.
Yeah.
With the bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Welcome back to another video. Got good news and we got bad news. Good news is my truck hasn't exploded. Bad news is the transmission exploded. And also, don't mind the beanie. My barber was out of town or some shit, and I went to another barber and never do that shit ever again. I got a fucked up ass haircut. ¿Estás?
Sacando video.
Bien, ¿cómo va? Va. Taking down the transmission. I gotta take it to get rebuilt. ¿Cómo va? ¿Cómo va? ¿Bien?
Firme.
Sí, para YouTube.
¿Oh, sí?
Sí,
¿Haces video ahí?
sí, sí.
¿Cómo se llama tu canal?
I never seen some shit like that ever. Sí, sí. So right now they're taking the transmission apart. Not taking the transmission, but they're disconnecting everything so they can take the whole transmission out the truck. And then they're gonna take it to get rebuilt. My truck will be ready Thursday with the transmission installed and everything. So I mean, we'll see. But yeah. Manuel. This video is gonna be a week in the life of a 20-year-old owner-operator. It's a little different because my transmission gave out. I'll go over the expenses also for those that are curious. How much I spent for the labor for him to drop the transmission and for him to put it back, and how much I spent to actually rebuild the transmission. Also, I have to replace a couple oil hoses that were leaking. They're old, so I gotta replace those. Also, I had a couple lights that I had to replace, so that's 5 things total that I had to fix up. morning. Today's Tuesday. Yesterday it was Monday. Yesterday they were taking down my transmission. Today they're going to rebuild it. But today we're also working, but I'm driving somebody else's truck today. The grind don't stop, papito. Today I'm in Sylmar. I came to pick up this truck. I'm gonna take you guys along with me on a Tuesday of being an owner operator when my truck is down. Now we're at Sun Valley, we're loading up. Go to Sylmar. Where we're at, Sylmar. The job's at 10. It's like 9:40 right now. There's a truck ahead of us, but it's like the scenery. And now we're in Sylmar. We're like in the hills right now, like deep into Sylmar. We have a pretty big job. Is one of the other drivers. Yeah, it's a signal. Yeah, that's it. I like this. Say something for the YouTube video.
I'm glad you came out of homelessness. Very good.
Myself, he introduced himself. His name is Dylan. We started talking, and that's when he told me that he's been homeless for over a year and he was on his way to a job interview and he got 2 flats, not 1 but 2 flats.
I mean, look at the truck they have now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get mad at him right now.
Why?
He's gonna spray my pump right now. Stand there or what? Show him.
What do you want me to do? With the world's gayest pumper? I'm gonna do the edit where it's like on the SpongeBob one where it's like, whoa.
It's not that noticeable.
Yeah.
We're about to pour 23rd. I don't even know how many Torres, how many yards we got here approximately?
120.
Like 120?
150 maybe.
About 150 yards. Easy. Pero prefiero andar en el pinche rancho ahí, tomando unas pinches caguamas. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, get it. Easy money. All right, here we are with Dylan. You already know the best fucking driver. All Favelas Ready Mix. He's out here bringing us 150 yards today. About to cash out what, like 15, 20,000 today?
Yeah,
Easy day.
Yeah.
One day cash. You know,
Hey, wait, did you know he was a homeless guy?
he was a homeless guy. Yeah, with the bike. Yeah, bro.
Miles per hour. I don't know if you saw that. Here it is again. That guy just threw his bike in the middle of the street towards my truck. Like, bro, first of all, we need to get your bike out of the street before you cause an accident. I help him drag his bike to the
I'm here with my sensei. Mr. Miyagi taught me everything that I know. Other than that, Mr. Miyagi, how you like it, pa? Good? We do a good job? Yeah. All right. Sounds good, pa. We're professionals. We're professionals here today. We're gonna make it happen. Single story home, San Fernando, California.
Sir. Stupid ass fool. That's it for Tuesday. We did fucking 3 loads today in the valley. I drove to fucking Silvar. I borrowed somebody's truck. I did 3 jobs today, but I get paid as a driver. And that's just what I gotta deal with when my truck is down. Good morning. Buenos dias. Today's fucking Wednesday. Got a call from the mechanic that my motor mount's out. So I'm at the dealership right now, about to get the part. Fuck. That's just tough. So right now I'm at Volvo. Oh. I think I'm in the wrong spot. Oh, I went to the wrong spot. I'm at the dealer. I'm here to buy a motor mount for my truck. I guess it's broken and I've been driving it like that. So my transmission's going up today. So I'm gonna record that a little bit. But SS. Fun fact, one of my homies had a Chevy SS and they stole that shit. I gotta shout out to my boy Marlo. He had a red Chevy SS and they stole that shit out his fucking driveway. Fuck, sad day, sad day. Gotta put up some pictures for my boy right there. RIP the SS.
Voy a manejar mi troca por la madre.
Well, here's the damage of a motor mount. $500 on a motor mount. A week in a life as an owner operator, you know. I mean, when your truck is down, this is what you have to deal with.
Ya está muriendo. Ya se está muriendo ya.
Va. Oh, sí. Okay. ¿Qué quiero atravesar?
So it went from like 5 things to like 8 things that I needed to fix. So my transmission's back on. They just gotta put, I think he said they have to put the clutch back on. Or they just gotta, I forgot. I guess they lower the clutch, they just gotta put it back up or something. The first test drive after rebuilding my transmission. My shit might blow up. My clutch is all
Sensitive?
yeah, like stupid sensitive. I'm gonna put there. Today's Thursday and my truck's ready. So first job with the rebuild transmission, all put together. And now we're at a job inside of Monica. We're pouring shock treatment. No, yo ya no he ido, viejo, con él. ¿No andamos? No. Sí, es que me manda con el papa y el papa no paga. Debe 5 días, debe como 3 meses.
So subtle, quick to get some top and tell a bitch I don't got no rubber. Quarterback in line and all my niggas up, ain't no huddle. Sleeping with a